Hey everybody, welcome to SMR Telugu Education. Next one is what is the output of given program. So void main here str of some 10 is equal to within the double quotes hello. So int I for I is equal to 0 str of I plus plus. Next printf percentage s slash n comma str plus I. So what is the output of given program? If the array size is 10, the memory is allocated for 10 elements. Str of 0, str of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The array name is starting element is str of 0, next element is str of 1, str of 2, str of 3, str of 1, str of 2, str of 3, str of 4, str of 5, str of 6, str of 7, str of 8, str of 9. The base addresses is starting address is 500, next address is 501, next address is 502, next address is 503, 504, 505, 506, 507, 508, then 509. Continuous memory. Here the starting value is H. So starting element is H, next one is E, next one is L, next one is L, next one is O, next one is null character, next one is also null character, next one also null character, next one also null character, next one also null character, null character. Here I value is, here the memory is here, array name str is, array name always gives base address of an array. Here the array name is str. The array name is str. So I is equal to 0. Here the memory is allocated for I. Variable name is I. Initial value is garbage value. Now this one is replaced with 0. Now I value is 0. I value is 0. So now str of I. So I is 0. Str of 0 is replaced with H. In C language, H 0 means false, non-zero means true. H ASCII value, some integer value, non-zero is condition true, then control comes here. So percentage s means base address 500 to up to null character. So this one is printed. Now the output is HELLO, and then control goes to next line. Next I value is increment by 1. Here the I value is 1. The I value is 1. Now str of 1. So str of 1 value is E. str of 1 value is E. So E non-zero, yes, condition true, then control comes here. Str means 500 plus 1 means 501. This means 501 to up to null character. This value is printed. So ELLO is printed. ELLO. Next I value is increment by 1. So I value is 2. So I value is 2. So control comes here. str of 2 is this one is replaced here. Value is L. Non-zero, yes, condition true. It prints str means 500 plus 2 means 502. This prints 502 address to up to null character. This one is printed. LLO. LLO. Next I value is increment by 3. Now I value is 3. So str of 3. str of 3 is replaced here means L. So L means L is replaced here. Non-zero, yes, condition true, then control comes here. str value is 500 plus 1 means plus 3. So value is 503. It prints 503 to up to null character. So LO is printed. So LO is printed. Next I value is increment by 4. Now this I value is replaced with 4. So I value is 4. str of 4. str of 4 is replaced here. O. So O is replaced here. Non-zero, yes, condition true. str value is 500 plus I means 4, 504. So 504 to up to null character. This one is printed. So O is printed here. Next I value is increment by 5. Now the I value is 5. So str of 5. str of 5 is this one replaced null character. So null character ASCII value is 0. In C language 0 means false, then control goes to out of the loop. Okay, so this is the output. This is the output. So still you have any doubts, please refer once again. Thank you for watching.